cardinal. What do you think, kiddo? Ooh, what's going on here? Yeah. Yeah? Uh-huh. What's all this different stuff you see now?
Panting sound.
I know. What's all this stuff?
I think that is just the frickin' best. Remember your busy box? I actually still have your busy box. It goes on the crib, and you turn things, and there's a mirror, and you hit things.
Oh, yeah.
I still have yours. Actually, well, depending on where you are, I don't know where she'll be in, but whatever. But,
What do you think, Sophia?
I kept some things just because I figured, they're good. They never go bad, really. The plastic gets a little yellowed.